साक्षाद्धरितेन समस्तशास्त्रैः युक्तकृताभावतैव
Sri Yudhishthira Maharaj said, O Janardana, what is the name of the Ekadasi that occurs during the dark fortnight, Krishna Paksh, of the month of Jastha, May to June? I wish to hear from you the glories of this sacred day of Hari. Please narrate everything to me. Lord Shri Krishna said, O King, your inquiry is wonderful because the answer will benefit the whole human society. This Ekadasi is so sublime and meritorious that even the greatest sins can be erased by its purity. O great saintly King, the name of this unlimitedly meritorious Ekadasi is Apara Ekadasi. Whoever fasts on this holy day becomes famous all over the universe. Even such sins as killing a Brahmin, a cow, or an embryo, blasphemy, or having sex with another man's wife are completely eradicated by observing Apara Ekadasi. O King, people who bear false witness are most sinful. A person who falsely or sarcastically glorifies another, one who cheats while weighing something on a scale, one who fails to execute the duties of his varna or ashrama, an unqualified man posing as a Brahman, for example. Or a person reciting the Vedas wrongly, one who invents his own scriptures, one who cheats others, one who is a charlatan astrologer, a cheating accountant, or a false Ayurvedic doctor. All these are surely as bad as persons who bears false witness, and they are all destined for hellish punishments. However, by observing Apara Ekadasi, all such sinners become completely free of their sinful reactions. Warriors who fall from their Kshatriya dharma and flee the battlefield go to a ferocious hell. However, O Yudhishthira, even such a fallen Kshatriya, if he observes fasting on the Apara Ekadasi, is freed of that great sinful reaction and goes to heaven. That disciple is the greatest sinner who, after receiving a proper spiritual education from his spiritual master, turns around and blasphemes him. Such a so-called disciple suffers unlimitedly. However, even he, rascal though he be, if he simply observes Apara Ekadasi, can attain to the spiritual world. Listen, O King, as I describe to you further glories of this amazing Ekadasi. The merit attained by one who performs all of the following acts of piety is equal to the merit achieved by one who observes Apara Ekadasi. Bathing 3 times daily in Pushkara Kshetra during Kartika, October to November. Bathing at Prayag in the month of Magh, January to February. When the sun is in the zodiac of Capricorn, rendering service to Lord Shiva at Varanasi, Benares. During Shivaratri, offering oblations to one's forefathers at Gaya, bathing in the sacred Gautami river when Jupiter transits Leo, Sinha. Having darshan of Lord Shiva at Kedarnath, seeing Lord Badrinath when the sun transits the sign of Aquarius Kumbha, and bathing at the time of a solar eclipse at Kurukshetra and giving cows, elephants, and gold there in charity. All the merit one gets from performing these pious acts is gained by a person who observes the Apara Ekadasi fast. Also, the merit attained by one who donates a pregnant cow, along with gold and fertile land, is attained by one who fasts on this day. In other words, Apara Ekadasi is an axe that cuts down the fully matured forest full of trees of sinful deeds. It is a forest fire that burns sins as if they were kindling firewood. It is the sun blazing before one's dark misdeeds, and it is a lion stalking the meek deer of impiety. Therefore, O Yudhishthira, whoever truly fears his past and present sins must observe Apara Ekadasi very strictly. One who does not observe this fast must be born again in the material world, like one bubble among millions in a huge body of water, or like a small ant among all other species. Therefore, one must faithfully observe the sacred Apara Ekadasi and worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Trivikrama. One who does so is freed of all his sins and promoted to the abode of Lord Vishnu. O Bharat, for the benefit of all humanity I have thus described to you the importance of the holy Apara Ekadasi. Anyone who hears or reads this description is certainly freed from all kinds of sins, O best of saintly kings, Yudhishthira. Thus ends the narration of the glories of Jastha Krishna Ekadasi, or Apara Ekadasi, from the Brahmana Purana. Notes 8. Pushkara Kshetra, in western India, is the only place on earth where a bona fide temple of Lord Brahma is to be found. Though the Vedas declare, Narabudbuda Sama, the human form of life is like a bubble in water. In water, many bubbles form and then suddenly burst a few seconds later. Thus, if a person does not utilize his rare human body to serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, his life has no more value or permanence than a bubble in water. Therefore, as the Lord herein recommends, we should serve him by fasting on Harivasara, or Ekadasi. In this regard, Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada writes in the Srimad Bhagavatam, SV2, 1:4 purport. The great ocean of material nature is tossing with the waves of time, and the so-called living conditioned are something like foaming bubbles, which appear before us as bodily self, wife, children, society, countrymen, etc. Due to a lack of knowledge of self, we become victimized by the force of ignorance and thus spoil the valuable energy of human life in a vain search after permanent living conditions, which are impossible in this material world.
Vande Gurati Charanaravinda. Vande Gurati Charanaravinda. Vande Gurati Charanaravinda. Nikunja Junarati Kelly Sitai Jajali Virju Tirapestania Nikunja Junarati Kelly Sitai Jajali Virju Tirapestania Patra Vidavsat Prativallavaisa Vande Gurati Charanaravinda Vande Gurati Charanarabindam Vande Gurati Charanarabindam Sakadharitena samasta sastrai Yuktak sabhavataiva sadbhi Sakadharitena samasta sastrai Yuktak sabhavataiva sadbhi Kintu prabhurjapya eva tasya Vande Gurati Charanarabindam Vande Gurati Charanarabindam Vande Gurati Charanarabindam Jasa Prasada Bhagavat Prasada Jasa Prasada नागति कुतापि यश प्रसाद भगवत प्रसाद यश प्रसाद नागति कुतापि ध्यायं शुभं तत् जसृति सन्धां वन्दे गुराति चरणरविन्द ध्यायं शुभं तत् जसृति सन्धां वन्दे गुराति चरणरविन्द वन्दे गुराति चरणरविन्दं वन्दे गुराति चरणरविन्दम् नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी नित्य नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात देशतारिणे नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्तवृंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna